Everybody, Dr. JJ Levine, and today we're going to talk about a life hack for that hacking cough that you have. You remember when you were younger and you had that cough and that cold and you were in bed and mom would put that vapor rub on your chest to kind of help break up the congestion, how good you felt? Well, I'm going to offer you a toxic-free solution to help you with that congestion. Now, as we talk about this, that product or products that you probably used when you were a kid, your parents used for you, you have to know that they're toxic. That product is even banned in some countries. It's got petroleum in it. It's got spirits of turpentine in it. We want to be really, really careful what you're putting on your body because, as I've said countless times, what you put on your skin is in your body in a matter of seconds. And as we use these products over and over on a regular basis, it can have some detrimental consequences, hence the warning out there on many of these products. And you want to look at the side effects of some of these products. Many of us used, again, when we were kids, visual problems, difficulty with urination, dizziness, unsteadiness, and with walking, nausea, severe vomiting, shakiness, slowed breathing, just to name a few. Now let's talk about a life hack, an organic, toxic-free life hack that you can use. And it's so simple. The first thing you're going to want to get is an organic, certified organic eucalyptus oil, which of course you can get here at Essanté Organics. I use eucalyptus oil, organic eucalyptus oil on a regular basis. In fact, I use it quite often on my beard and mustache. That was in a former video that I spoke about before. But to make your organic toxic-free vapor rub, what I would like you to do is whenever you apply essential oils to your skin, remember you're going to want to use a carrier oil. And I've told you that my favorite carrier oil is organic jojoba. But what I'm going to recommend for this purpose is to use our citrus body butter. And if you haven't had an opportunity to use this citrus body butter, you're gonna love it. In fact, we tell people don't walk around barefoot if you put it on your feet because it's gonna last a long time and your feet could be slippery if you've got, hard floors and whatnot, tile floors. But you can use that as a base. You can use that as a carrier oil. And you know what the number one first ingredient in our citrus body butter is? It's organic green tea leaf, which has loaded with antioxidants. It's amazing health and wellness benefits, and it supports multiple things that you're trying to help with when we're talking about congestions and colds and things of that nature. So you definitely want to use that as a base. So all you have to do is take a dollop, little squeeze of the citrus body butter, and then put like 3-4 drops of that eucalyptus oil, rub it on your hands, and then rub it on your chest. Now with other essential oils, with all essential oils, you want to be careful if you're underage, like under 10 years old. So this is a great recipe for people that are over 10 years old where you can make a toxic-free vapor rub for their chest. So again, you take your citrus body butter, a little dollop of it, put like 3-4 drops of organic eucalyptus oil, mix it up, rub it onto your chest, and you're going to be breathing that in, and that's really going to help support a cough, cold, help break up congestion. And just remember, the koala bear who lives in eucalyptus trees, I've never met a koala bear with a cough or congestion. Have you? So as always, I look forward to reading your comments down below and of course sharing with you again very soon. Bye-bye, everybody.